Welcome. My name is Thomas Ledford, aka Taxman88, and I'm here today to share a conversation about my partnership program that I have, which I'm doing a 3-day offer, which ends October 15th, along with some other things that I'm going to talk about inside this video that's designed to help fast track your success for the person who's looking to start their own tax preparation business. So I've been in this industry of tax preparation and taxation for 19 years, 13 as a business owner. So I've designed a mentorship and coaching program that's 18-month membership access to help that individual who's looking to start their own tax preparation business from a business owner standpoint. So if you've been working in the industry already for a tax firm or a nationally owned firm or independent tax service, and you require some knowledge and some skills and some confidence and even some clientele, and you're ready to go to the next level by being your own boss, then this mentorship and coaching program is definitely designed for you. And also, the uniqueness of my mentorship and coaching program is designed to help anybody who's looking to start their own tax preparation business, regardless of experience already been obtained. So I got people that's brand new to this industry who chose this business model for whatever reason, who decided to take action, connect with me, and join my mentorship and coaching program. And now I'm helping them to learn basic tax preparation knowledge and skills. I've walked through and helped them set up their business from a basic standpoint, and then as we go on, we're going to build that infrastructure out from the front end to the back end, where it's a well-oiled machine, where it becomes profitable, sustainable for long-term success. That's what my mentorship and coaching program is designed to do. And so I'm doing a special 3-day offer where people who literally get started, who've used whatever excuses they've been using to not take action, to no longer use excuses, but take action now. So my partnership program is unique in the sense that after you make your initial investment, you get to use my infrastructure, you get to use my software, you get to use the tools and resources that I use to do business with clients virtually in my state as well as across states. And that's what the partnership program brings to the table for a person that's looking to get started who's new. And so what you would need on your end is a computer or a laptop, great internet service, a nice printer. I have two, but if you can't afford two, you want to get a nice all-in-one that has a scanner on it that gives you the ability to fax if needed, and to be able to print out your tax paperwork that you may need to have ready for clients. And everything else you get to use on that I've already got built out to do business with. So that's one of the bonuses of the partnership program, is that you don't have to worry about any additional fees other than hopefully some of the things you should already have or might already have. Like me, I already had a computer, I already had a printer, I already had those things when I got started years ago when it came to me starting my own tax preparation business. So that those things I didn't have to go buy because I already had them inside my life already. So if you like me, you already got a laptop or a desktop or both. You got internet access, you got a printer, or if not, you have to go get you one. And so you'll be able to use my infrastructure in this partnership program. And on top of that, I'm doing a special when it comes to this partnership program, when it comes to the price. So when it comes to this partnership program, you would definitely have to, I'm only taking 5 students. This ends October 15th. And so you would definitely come to my website. I'm gonna leave my web address inside the description of my video. You'll go to my website, you go to this contact information form, and what you would do is you would basically scroll down, you give me your name, email address, the type of business you want to start is tax preparation, and don't worry about the average number, don't worry about this line right here, but go to this box, and any other information you want to give me, you can type it in here, and from there, you'll give me a call or I'll give you a call, and we'll set up an interview session where we get to know each other on some level. I'll educate you and what it's going to take for you to start and be able to be a partner with me for the upcoming tax season, and things that's going to be required on your end that you must be able to do and take action on that's going to allow you to be successful in the partnership program is going to be important. And so that's what you would do when it comes to that. Also, join my email list. I have another link inside my description of my video where you get to join my email link. And so all my people on my email link, they get 20 to 50% off all my products and services for people who identify and who like what I bring to the marketplace as it relates to tax preparation skills and knowledge and helping people set up their own tax preparation business is what I do. So if you identify with that, if that's something you want to eventually make happen for yourself, join my email list and you get to follow me up close and personal. Subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification so you receive all uploads or live video streams of what I'm doing when it comes to my business and the journey I've been on for the last 19 years, 13 as a business owner that's designed to help fast track your success. Is what my mentorship coaching program is designed to do. You're going to be able to leverage what I do. You're going to be able to leverage my experience, good, bad, or different. I'll be my own live case study that's going to help you to be successful in this industry, but you got to take action. You got to be the one that's dedicated, committed, serious, focused, no excuses, have a mindset that, hey, you're going to get all in. This is going to be your new way of life. You're going to make it work for you. You're going to let me guide you through a process that's going to be simple to get started, simple to get paid, simple to make money, and build and grow from there on that. And that's what I bring to the table. I have a full service mentorship and coaching program solution to individuals who look to get started with their own tax preparation business. And so I got people out here doing their research and their due diligence. They go onto different websites, they talk to different people, they ask them different types of questions, and they try to make a decision who they want to partner with, who they want to connect with, who they want to work with that can help them get started with their own tax preparation business. And I also got people who made investments with other people who didn't turn out right, didn't pan out right. And so those type of experiences, they didn't let them stop them from still looking and seeking to connect with someone who can help them on their journey to being able to have a sustainable, profitable, successful tax preparation business. And that's what I can help you make happen for yourself. Because see, I'm basically just sharing my journey with you on what I've done and what I'm doing to get better inside of my business, and let you leverage that to take for yourself the things that you want to take that's going to allow you to get better inside your business. So the whole purpose of mentorship and coaching and consulting is to help you get to a place much quicker, much smoother, much easier than you can ever do on your own. And if you identify with that, if you understand that concept, then you definitely want to connect with someone. And it might not be me, because see, I understand what a lot of people don't understand, that my message, my vibe, my flow, my presentation is not going to gel with everybody. And that's okay, because it wasn't meant to be. It wasn't meant to be that way. The people who I'm meant to do business with will be my mentorship and coaching clients, and the ones who are not, they won't. And I can live with that because I already understand it up front. I understand people ain't going to drive with my videos, my posts, my message, my information, my content, and all that. And that's okay too, because I understand that up front. So those are things as a business owner you got to understand up front. That hey, everybody ain't going to like you, and that's okay. It wasn't meant to be that way. But when it comes to being in business, you got to put yourself out there on the level that needs to be done, that's going to allow you to get the experience, the exposure you need, the awareness you need, the branding you need to build know, like, and trust in the marketplace, where people get to know, like, and trust you to the point where they're willing to reach out to you and call you up and talk to you and see if y'all be a good fit to do business with, to see if you the person who has the knowledge and skills to help them to get where they're trying to go with starting their own tax preparation business and being successful and profitable and sustainable all at the same time. Is what they're looking for. And so if you're looking to get started, if you had some bad experiences where things just didn't pan out right, I understand. Keep on searching, keep on moving, keep on making it happen for yourself until you find the right person that's a best fit for you, and don't give up. And so when it comes to my mentorship coaching program, like I said, I'm doing a special partnership offering that ends October 15th. The normal price is normally $1,997 with a 6-month payment plan of $350, but I'm doing a special on that. I'm knocking it down for 3 days only, so October 15th to $999, and you get 3 monthly payment plans of $333, and that's the special I'm doing for my partnership program. But you must be approved for my partnership program, so we must connect. We must do a Zoom training call where we can make sure we are a good fit for one another. Because when it comes to the partnership aspect, we talking about doing business with one another where we don't necessarily definitely live in the same state, and we definitely don't really know each other well enough when it comes to doing business with each other. That's dealing with transacting business, that's dealing with money. that has to be done correctly with integrity in a strategic way that's going to allow us to both prosper and allow us both to protect our clients as well as our business from any trouble from the inside as well as the outside is what it's really all about. So when it comes to my mentorship and coaching program, if you're not interested in the partnership program, you're not interested in the fact that with this program you get 18-month access to me, and maybe you want to get started, but maybe you don't have $999, or you can make the monthly payments of $333 over the next few months. Then I have another program that's only 12 weeks, and it gives you same access to my infrastructure, and it's only $799. But the thing to it is only 2 payments of $399 each, and it ends October 15th as well. So if you're interested in either one, the partnership program, which is the 18-month access membership, or my 12-week program, which gives you additional 8 weeks during actual tax season for the support you're going to need to make some money during that time. And then if you make a one-time payment of the $799, you get a bonus on top of that bonus of you get to use, like I said, my infrastructure that's already set out with tax software, tools, and training, and all those different things that go with it as an additional bonus for the people who make the one-time payment with the 12-week program. So the 12-week program will give you 12 weeks. I'll give you additional 8 weeks during actual tax season to help you make some money, because you're going to definitely need my support during money season. And on top of that, if you make the one-time payment of $799, you get to use my infrastructure with the software, with the tools and resources that I already use inside my business, where all you need to have is basically a laptop or a computer, internet access, and a nice printer, all in one if you can't afford both. And you'll be well on your way to getting started, getting the knowledge, getting the training, getting the information needed to have you ready for 2020 season, which starts in January of 2021, which they haven't released a date yet on that. But the point is, we still have enough time for the person that's dedicated to being committed, focused, hitting it hard, taking this training and this information seriously, having a heart to learn this stuff and get good at it, get knowledgeable at it, and take the suggestions and the information that I give you and go out here and make it happen for yourself. It's key to that. Taking action, taking action, taking action. So there's my website here. Go to my website, go to contact information, scroll down, fill this form out, and also join my email list. And I also have another bonus on top of that, which is called the Clarity Exercise Sheet that I will give you for joining my email list, either through this contact information form or through the link that's inside my description of my video that's going to take you strictly to my email system. Either way you join my list, you will get the Clarity worksheet for yourself. This worksheet has a series of questions that's going to cause you to ask yourself some questions that you never probably even asked yourself before, that's going to give you more clarity, get you more clear on what type of business you want to have for yourself, what type of direction you want to go in, what type of vision and mission and all those things you want to have for your business. This Clarity Exercise Worksheet will help you come to those conclusions, and it won't happen overnight, but as you keep growing and moving and getting closer to your dreams of having your business already started and already taking the action inside your business, and you're already learning and you actually doing the things you need to do inside your business on a regular basis, and you constantly go over that Clarity Exercise Worksheet, because it's basically a series of questions that's going to cause you to think more deeply about your business, about yourself, about your direction, about what you really want to do concerning having the business. And this Clarity Exercise Worksheet is so awesome that you'll get that as a bonus for joining my email list, either through my contact information website or through the link that I'm going to give you that's going to take you straight to a page where you're going to opt in to my email list. Either way you do it, you'll get the Clarity Worksheet as an additional bonus to the bonuses that I offer inside this program. And I got some undisclosed bonuses that I don't talk about publicly, only to people who become members of my mentorship and coaching program, who hear about my additional bonuses that's definitely in-house only, that I share with the clients that I have. It's important. That's key to your success, because this information here is going to change the game on how I'm going to help fast track your success to help you make significant income just in your first season that I can't share in public. And I'll see you in my next video.